Okay, you may be wondering what this is. This is a segmented pegboard. So I do a lot of segmented turning bowls and such, and I come up and I'll have a ring that I need to glue together. And normally I will use these pipe clamps right here. Well, a lot of times I don't have the right size, as you can see right here, or I've used too many of these and I don't have any left. And rather than go out and buy some, I'll take a rubber band and I'll grasp it together. Now this is just an example because there's no glue in it. We put pegs in here because this one was not cut correctly. I did this one actually on my miter saw. Okay, you'll take the rubber band, and piece by piece, that side, this side after the glue is on, and you'll do it just like that. Then you'll take another rubber band, usually you'll have them both on there, and you will do the same thing that you did for the other rubber band. You'll have them done just like that. And normally before I actually use this, I'll put some packing tape on here so the glue doesn't stick. All right, that's it. Done.